Let's see what it looks like to go down the ramp into the cornhole. Oh, perfect. Hey, a 20. What's up, guys? Chris here. We have Josh.
Howdy.
And we have Manny. Something pretty awesome set up. Floating cornhole in the mini pool. We're going to attempt to put a car down our Monster 6 lane onto the ramp into the cornhole. We'll be keeping score. Hey, there's 3 names here. Guess that means I'm playing. There may or may not be a little cash in that hole for the overall winner. This is not official cornhole, so we're making up rules. If you land a car on the float, it's worth a point. If you land it in the cornhole, it's worth 2 points. If it lands in the pool or anywhere outside of the pool, you do not get that car back. All right, Josh, since you're first on the list, you get first pick of cars. We have the Bone Shaker, 50th anniversary edition. There we go, the Batmobile. And Josh gets, that is the Rockster. Manny, pick your 3 for round 1 here. Ooh, off-track T-Hunt, Night Burner T-Hunt, and let's go. My pick. Twin Mill, Shark Bite, and last but not least, the T-Hunt Roadster. You got your 3 cars unwrapped? Yep. I got my 3 cars. Manny's got his. Josh, you're up first.
So how much does it do that?
What do you mean?
No, it's pretty good.
Hey, this is floating cornhole. You got to find a way to make it in there. Now remember, you can lift the ramp up, you can push it, you can do whatever you need to get the speed you need. Bone Shaker, up the ramp, into the hole, first try. Bone Shaker, up the ramp, into the hole, first try. Josh. Manny went off track. Here it comes. Up the ramp, into the drink. Up the ramp. Hey, what's up, everybody?
Howdy.
Wow, look at Josh. Come on. I don't think there's any possible way I can make it.
You can do it. Use the force.
Oh, my own rules coming back to bite me. Come on, Roadster. Wait a minute. There is no way. Oh, I tried to hook it on there. No good. Oh. Josh's turn. Batmobile. Up. Batmobile. Up. Hey, how'd that get so straight? Right in the hole. Manny's turn. Manny in the hole. Manny in the hole. Man, this might be too easy. Oh, I got the shark. Shark bait. Come on, shark bait. Oh no! Right where he belongs. In the water. Josh is up next. Looks like the Rockster. Oh, Josh finally misses, but he's still on the float. Oh, Manny's up. Got the let's go. Oh, almost on the float, but in the drink. Twin Mill. Come on, no points? No points? All right, we have 3 in the hole. One of them's Manny's and 2 are Josh's. So Josh has 4 or 5 points and Manny has 2. I have a goose egg. Josh with 5. Manny with 2. And Dad with 0. Got to pick our next 3 cars, guys. All right, Josh, next 3. Arachnarod, Blade Runner, and T-Rex Destroyer. Manny with the Motosaurus. That's the Trim TRK. And Fandango. My pick. Snowplowed, Corvette, and Skate Punk. Josh is up first. Haha. Now you know what I had to go through. You can twist the ramp if you need to. Torque it. T-Rex Destroyer. Rex Troyer. What?
Good evening.
Motosaurus. Oh, he almost gets it in there. Oh, he almost gets it in there. Oh,
Get
come
your-
on. There's no chance. Gotta move this right this way. Oh, right up and over. Oh! Now you guys see why I let you guys play. Go for it. Oh, finally Josh puts one in the drink. Somebody could still knock that Motosaurus in there.
I'm trying to.
Man, he's going to try to knock his own guy in. Concentration. TRK, right in the hole. TRK, right in the hole. Get up there. Get up there. Josh is up. Right in the rod.
Come on.
Right off the side. Ready with Fandango.
Oh.
Ready with Fandango. Just barely over the hole. Come on, skate punk. Man, I might need to grind this rail all the way down. Tell me now. Tell me now. Tell me now. All right, what do we got here for points? TRK is Manny's. This is Josh's.
Yeah.
So 2, 2, and 1 for Manny. So 3. You have
have
2 and
three,
1,
two.
and then he has 2.
Okay.
My score is easy to keep track of.
All right, so Josh with 2, Manny with 3, me with 0.
Manny won that round, so he gets first pick. You can pick a monster truck. Not sure how they perform though.
There's not enough cars.
What I do, miscount?
Yeah.
So what do we get? 2 each this round? Josh leads me with the monster trucks. All right, last 2 in the bucket. 4x4 Chevy Blazer and Predator for Manny. Josh got the T-Hunt Rocket Fire and Skate Brigade. And I got Mav TV and Gas Monkey Garage.
What?
Manny's first since he won the round. Manny's up first. Predator weebles and wobbles into the drink. Predator weebles and wobbles. Josh is up. Rocket fire. Right into the hole. Rocket fire. Right into the hole. I'm up with the gas monkey. Finally, I got a straight hole here. Stay straight. Let's go. Oh.
Womp womp.
Oh. Man, I was playing to keep my 20, and you guys were playing to win it, and it looks like I'm going to lose it. Manny's up in the Blazer. 4x4 with a backflip into the hole. Fancy. 4x4 with a backflip into the hole. Josh with Skate Brigade, his last chance. Skate Brigade's up.
Come on.
Oh. Skate Brigade's up.
Come on.
Last chance for me. Did I mention that monster trucks are worth 10 points?
No.
Oh, what? Cool to make up the rules. There we go.
Negative 10 points. Negative 10 points.
All right, what do we got here for a tally?
I got 2. Neil's got 2.
2 and 2.
Here's my score. You got Manny with 2, Josh with 2.
I got 9. You got 7.
Now, 9-7. But how many cars do you have left, Manny?
4.
4, and Josh has how many?
A lot.
Whatever score you can accumulate with your 4 and however many you got, Josh, that'll be the final score. We'll add that to the 9 and the 7. This $20 bill's awaiting someone. Josh, since you have high score, you go first this round. Josh, sir. Rockster's in the hole. Rockster's in the hole. Manny's up. This is that car you blow in. I forget what it's called. He's up. Oh, he's up. Oh, he's on the pad. He's worth one. Could be anybody's game here. That's the backfield. That's the backfield. Come on, a swish? How do you swish a cornhole? TRK. TRK right in there. TRK. TRK right in there. Manny answers. Don't shake her. Don't shake her. Right in the hole. Man, Josh, you are clutch. 4x4 blazer. Oh, into the drink. 4x4 blazer. Oh, blazer. Oh, into the drink.
Sign me up for your Hot Wheels Cornhole team.
Yeah, right? I forget what it's called where you drop it right in the hole. Somebody can comment. There you go. There you go. Josh, you are an incredible floating Hot Wheels cornhole player. Logosaurus. Logosaurus. Oh my goodness, just barely misses. What do you got left, Josh?
One more.
Do you have any left, Manny?
I'm trying to go 5 for 5.
T-Rex Destroyer. Oh, T-Rex Destroyer. Oh, T-Rex Destroyer. Oh, in the drain. Wow. Let's add these up here.
I got 4 in there.
So this one's Manny's. Oops, grab that. Josh. Wait, is that Josh?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah.
I got 4 in.
You got 4 in, so you got 8 points.
So
Manny has 2, 3, 4. So it's 8 to 4. So we add 8. And we add 4. That gives Manny 11. And that gives Josh 17. And that gives me 0. Great playing with you guys. What happened to letting your dad win? Josh gets the $20 bill. Great game, guys. That was a lot of fun. It's incredible that we got a video up before I even had a chance to put the other one away.
Yeah.
Thanks for playing, guys. Josh, you can buy me lunch.
All right.
Manny, great job on the camera work. And you rolled a couple cornholes. I rolled 0. And I practiced.
I know. You practiced last night too.
What kind of cars you have?
I actually practiced last night.
I walked in on him practicing.
I gotta practice if I'm gonna beat these guys tomorrow. Ooh, almost. Come on, Dodge Dart. Coyote will do it.
Doing.
Huh? Josh? You caught me practicing for tomorrow's video. Oh, right in the hole.
Practice, but I can't.
Manny's not here, so no practice for him. Oh, Josh's first attempt.
Come on, man.
Right on the edge of the hole. Gotta go.
No,
Ooh.
almost. Yeah, you made one.
Made one in the hole. Yeah,
But
look at this,
if you
guys.
Look at the cars that actually make it in. They have to be low to the ground. They have to have smooth wheels. And,
No, not even.
and
Don't
a lot
even
of
talk
them,
about
And a lot
that.
of them have a rear, a bigger.
This
rear
guy,
wheel.
this guy switched.
So you're saying there's a
He's SUV.
science to it?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, maybe. Josh with a bonus run?
Oh, I was trying to get over my team. Ready?
Josh, what are you doing? Go free for all. Josh. Come on, Josh. What are you kidding me? Josh. All right, I quit. Golly. All right, guys, have fun. We'll see ya. Don't shake shaker. Up the ramp. Into the hole. First try. Here it comes. Up the ramp. Into the drink. Oh, I tried to hook it on there. No good. Got my nail. Up. Hey, how'd that get so straight? Right in the hole. Manny in the hole. Man, this might be too easy. Oh no. Right where he belongs. In the water. Oh, Josh finally misses, but he's still on the float. Let's go. Oh, almost on the float, but in the drink. Come on, no points? Rex Stroyer. What? Oh, he almost gets it in there. Oh, right up and over. Oh, finally Josh puts one in the drink. PRK, right in the hole. Get up there.
Move my guy a little
Wow. Arachnarod.
Come on.
Right off the side into the water.
I'm trying to hit it.
Manny with Fan Go.
Oh.
Just barely over the hole. Tell me now. Predator weebles and wobbles into the drink. Rocket fire. Right into the hole. Oh. 4x4 with a backflip into the hole. Fancy. Escape Brigade's up.
Come on.
Oh. Did I mention that monster trucks are worth 10 points?
No.
Oh, what? Cool to make up the rules. Here we go.
Negative 10 points.
Rockster's in the hole for 2. He's up. Oh, he's on the pad. He's worth 1. Batmobile. Come on, a swish? How do you swish a cornhole? TRK right in there. Manny answers. Don't shake her. Right in the hole. Man, Josh, you are clutch. 4x4 laser. Oh, into the drink. I forget what it's called where you drop it right in the hole. There you go. Josh, you are an incredible
4 for 4.
floating Hot Wheels
4 for
cornhole
5
player.
right now.
Motosaurus. Oh my goodness, just barely misses.
I'm trying to go 5 for 5.
T-Rex Stroyer.
Oh,
in the drain. Hey, the GoPro made it.
Daddy should have played with the GoPro car.
I know. Should have been my car.